Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to change your Facebook password on Android when you know it. Okay, so this is my Android smartphone, so let's start. So first of all you have to open your Facebook app and then log into your Facebook account. Okay, so let me find my Facebook app. So here is my Facebook app. Let me tap on this to open it. You can see guys, it's opened and you can see I'm already logged into my Facebook account. If you haven't, just log in. Okay, and after that you have to tap on this three horizontal lines, this menu icon over here. So let me tap on this. Okay, and after that guys you have to scroll down and then tap on this settings and privacy. So let me tap on this, and after that you have to tap on this settings. So let me tap on these settings. And you can see guys, here we have this security section and here we have this security and login. So just tap on this and you can see guys, here we have this security and login screen opened, and you can see here we have this login. Okay, and under this here we have this change password. So just tap on this. Okay, and it's opening and you can see guys, here we have this change password screen opened. So you need to provide your current password and after that new password. Okay, and then you have to retype your new password again. Okay, so let me provide my current password. Okay, so let me do that, and after that let me tap on this new password. Let me provide the new password that I want. Okay, and let me retype a new password, and after that guys you have to tap on this save changes this button. So let me tap on this and you can see guys, here we have this screen opened, log out of other devices. Okay, so here we have a little message. Let's read that. You can see password changed. If you think someone else may have known your old password, it's a good idea to log out of any other phones and computers and check for recent changes to your account. Okay, so here we have two options. Review other devices. We will help you check where you are currently logged in, and here we have the stay logged in. Okay, we have two options, so just choose the option that you want, but I recommend choosing this option, review other devices. So let me tap on this, and after that just tap on this continue button. So let me tap on this continue button. It's opening, and on this screen guys you can see I have this section where you are logged in. So I can see all the devices where I am currently logged in. You will see yours. So just check the devices, and if you don't recognize any of the devices over here, you can just tap on this three dot next to the device. So let me tap on this three dots, and you can see here we have two options, not you and log out. Okay, so you can log out of that device easily. So let me tap on this three dots again. In my case I know all these devices, but still I am tapping on this log out of all sessions. Okay, so it will log you out from all sessions. So let me show you. So let me tap on this log out of all sessions. Okay, and you can see I have this message. This will log you out of Facebook from every device you are currently logged in on. If you did not log in on any of these devices, we can help you secure your account. Okay, so if you think someone has unauthorized access to your account, you can just tap on this secure your account link, and the Facebook will guide you how you can secure your account. Okay, so in my case it's not, so let me tap on this log out, this button. Okay, I want to log out of all sessions, and you can see I'm on this security and login screen. Okay, and my password has been changed, and after that you can close your Facebook app if you want. So that's it guys. In this way you can easily change your Facebook password on Android when you know it. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks, bye bye.